Hello everybody, this is Nate here from Kia Columbia, and the Kia brand is on fire. Today, here is a quick video walkthrough of the beautiful 2026 Kia A4 GT Line in snow, white, pearl, and a red interior. Let's go! This is the beautiful 2026 Kia A4 GT Line, all in white with a red interior. Looking good and looking fine. That's enough of the outside. Let's check out the inside. This vehicle has power locks, power windows, power seats, blind spots, heated seats, cooling seats, heated steering wheel, and memory seating. A beautiful red and black leather interior. Speakers by Harman Kardon. All new design on the steering wheel. Push start. Auto hold. Lane keep assist, lane fall assist, and also highway driving assist. Premium speakers. Maps and navigation. You have a sunroof. Heated cooler for the passenger. Handles are up here on the top. In the second row. Oh, look at that room there. Armrest and cup holder. Some seat ports. Extra storage. Also in the trunk, you have convenience here with the button here. With plenty of room in the back. So thank you very much for watching my video of the beautiful 2027 Kia A4 GT Line in snow, white, pearl with a red interior. Thank you for your continued business. And if you like this video, stop on by and see me, Nate Bracey, here at Kia Columbia, 17 Business Loop in the loop. Let me put you in the news on pre-owned car, truck, or SUV today. Because buying a Kia is too sweet. Too sweet.